But what is a line? A line is nothing more than a series of dots, lined up one after another. A concave line can form a circle. Straight lines form a triangle. A square, or a rectangle. These geometric shapes that we're looking at are called planes. In reality, however, they really don't exist. They are purely abstract concepts.
If we look around, we can see that all objects have one definite characteristic. They have volume, or 3 dimensions. The volume of any object, however, is always related to a geometrical plane figure. For example, if a circle rotates on its own diameter, it becomes a sphere. The square becomes a cube. In fact, if we put 6 squares side by side in this order, we get a geometric shape. Instead, the triangle gives us 2 possibilities. One is the pyramid. But if we rotate the triangle on its height, we get a cone. Like the cube, by putting rectangles side by side, we get a parallelepiped. If we rotate a rectangle around on its side, we form a cylinder. All the objects around us have shapes that can bring to mind these geometric forms.
Using what we've just said as a basis, let's move on to drawing objects that have geometric shapes similar to those shown in the video. We spoke first of the circle and the sphere. This is a perfect geometric shape which, in nature, is actually hard to find. It could be a marble, a bowling ball, or a soccer ball. But an apple can also remind us of this volume. This is the example we've chosen for you to copy. Of course, it's a bit squashed on the top and bottom. Let's add 2 short lines to make the stem. To finish, let's make some rounded lines to make the apple seem even rounder. Now here's a simple panel inspired by the drawing we've just finished.
A triangle is a pyramid. The first image that comes to mind is certainly an Egyptian pyramid. It's easy to draw since the lines that make it up are elementary. To finish the picture and to make the pyramid lively and more realistic, we can place a nice palm tree next to it. Taking advantage of this scene, we can imagine an exotic comic strip.
Let's move on to the square and cube. Many objects around us have this shape. Take a dice, for example. Even here we're dealing with a basic shape. Let's draw some circles on the inside of these three sides. These shapes that we have already talked about can indicate the dice's relative numbers. Have some fun trying to imagine other pictures you can make using the shapes of two dice.